told me the other day, sent me a message.
Alright, hey guys, it's VOA. And let's open an egg.
You don't have a ride.
Let's see who I get.
There's Peter out here. Not this one.
Who did I get? A Catapooper? Are you kidding me? I already have a Catapooper. I'm going to sell it for 200 coins. I think I should sell something else so I can get more money. What do you think, guys? Or should I? So you have to wait 11 hours.
That'd be a good job for him.
Yeah, it would be.
You have to stay sober.
Look at this.
That'd be better than BP.
Smacking him. And here's some battle run. Alright. This is a battle run video.
Okay.
For you to run. And then we have to do my target video. 2 videos a week. That's my new deal. Can you hand me my Mountain Dew, please? I don't need the lid. It's alright. And this is me. I'm not a polar bear. I'm exiting out of that. Oh, well, I guess I'm a polar bear now. I was going to use my bulk, because like my bulk is like really good, and I'm skilled at this. I'm keeping you updated. It might not show me, but you might. Darn it. I got shot in the back of the head with a stupid axe.
Gus told her, whatever he told her.
Run! No! Oh, yeah? And this is how you play Battle Run. This is so hard to play with the camera. Like I told you in my Battle Run and Geometry Dash video. It's like literally impossible. I'm in the back, which I don't really care because I still get coins. And that's oh God, good God! If I didn't film that, you've got to see this. And this is like my dream game of doing. Like seriously, I'm so bad at this. And it sucks because I'm doing this on purpose and I just don't know it. You guys watch me. There's like no one to whip. Oh, yep, I'm going to whip them. And then nay them.
Before I talk to that guy, I'm going to ask James how he likes working there.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
He'd be honest with you.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 4th place. I got 13 coins, 16 coins, 25 XP, and minus 4 golds. So this is my progress. So, dum. There's an egg. Hatch. I don't have any more eggs. I could get the discount. Should I get a 1 egg? Because I have a lot of coins. Now you're ready to hatch them. Alright, hatch. Come back later. And I'm gonna get mad if this doesn't work. Okay. Anyways, let's see what this is. And this isn't much of a vlog today. I wish this would stop. I'm gonna go to the home menu so I can get it back. Because today it is not cooperating. Alright, guys. So we're gonna do a battle run and stuff. So now it's Subway Surf. Subway surfing. This is Subway Surf. Earth. And I'll show you I'm going to show you all my data. Not. Load Like what characters I have, that's what I mean. So I have 8 boards. I have some keys I have to collect. I'm sorry. Collect a ward. Let's see what I get. 3 coins, letter chaser, bronze award, 3 keys. Okay. Characters. I'll show you who else I have. Alright, so there's Utani, don't have her. Spike, don't have him, and I don't even want him. Fresh, I don't want him. Well, I sort of do. I have Trixie. I have Jake. I'll show you who else I have. I have Lucy. And I have Tagbot. That's all I have. I'm Tagbot right now. Alright. Alright, let's play. Jump that, jump that. The perfect store, perfect store. And if I don't get any high score, it's you guys' fault. Yeah, because I'm videotaping this, so it's really hard. And I died. I'm not going to spend a coin for this, but if you guys like this view, I just gotta play this. I'm sorry if you guys can't see. Oh, this is good. This might be sort of a long vlog. Sorry. Okay, it says Kane. Oh, shoot, I forgot about that. I forgot you can't jump over those. Alright, that's what my score was this round. My real high score is that. And this is Tagbot, if you don't recognize it. Well, my tablet's dying. Let's go back to Battle Run. Now we're going to log back into Battle Run. There we go. I can name them. Dust, Molly, what's her name? Macy, and Joe. That's who I'm guessing. No, it's Spoon. I'm gonna guess that's Spoon, which I think might be Spoon. No, but I think that is Molly. Yeah, that's definitely Molly. Because I remember who all of them are, and that's Molly. I so could have gotten Spoon, but Molly. Well, so, sorry. When I said I wanted this to stop, this thing would pop up that I have to X out of. And right now, my pet is going to be the T-Rex. Butterblue 101. Should I give her a friend request? Let's look at her status. She's a gold 1, level 24, points 625, kill, death, and 99. Wow. First place 64, wow. I'm better, I'm worse than her. And if you're wondering who I am, I'm too awesome for ya. Too awesome for you. Yeah. Waiting for the players now. That guy bailed. Now there's that guy. That looks creepy, doesn't it? Comment down below if that's creepy. You know what? I don't want to play this anymore. What should we play? It's fun. Don't we start to die too? Let's see all my games and what I can play. Alright, there's nothing. Look at the gingerbread house my sister and I made together. So this was my side. Oh, and by the way, this is the snow I put on the roof. It's really cotton candy. And I had the idea to use these chocolate candies as shutters for the windows. And I had an idea to make a gate out of bottle caps and sweet tarts. And we did a gravel thing. And this is my sister's side. And yeah. So I did do a Christmas video. I didn't upload it. But sorry, and I'll be doing a Target video for this week because I didn't do mine twice a week, so I have to do this one today. So I'm sorry, guys, but if that's what you were excited for, then yay. But whatever. Peace. Salute. Out.